The other day, someone asked me, how long does the warranty last if you happen to have your phone warranted or your phone or iPad warranted near the warranty expiration date? And so you can check your warranty status here on the checkcoverage.apple.com. And let's say it's going to expire around the time you're deciding to fix your phone. So you're wondering what happens to your warranty. Well, here on the warranty web page, it mentions that, let's see, I had it over here. This part over here assumes the remaining term of the warranty or 90 days from the date of replacement or repair, whichever provides longer coverage. And so if your warranty is still going good for the next 3 months or longer, then you really don't have to worry. But anything less than 3 months or less than 90 days, they're saying that when it gets repaired, you have 90 days from the date of replacement or repair to get further coverage if it continues to be faulty. So hopefully this is true. I've never used it myself. I've never had to use Apple warranty. But so if you're running near the end of your warranty date, they do have this clause here for iPhones and iPads. It might be different for different devices, but over here I was searching an iPhone. And I'm pretty sure for iPads it's the same. So if you're near your end of your warranty, you may get 90 days from the date of your replacement or repair. It doesn't mean it exactly extends your warranty, because if you already have 90 days left in your warranty, it's not going to extend it. The only time it kicks in is when you're near the end of your warranty date. So I hope that explains a little bit of what I was talking about, but maybe it didn't.